Hello, this is me Ishani from Tech Basics. Today we learn about how to change number in your WhatsApp account. First, open up WhatsApp. After opening your WhatsApp, you can see the settings icon on the bottom right. Click on it. Now click on account. Here you can see the option change number. Click on it. Now click on next. Type in your old phone number. Now type in your new number. Now click on next. Click on done. Then it sends a notification for reconfirmation. Click on yes. After that, you'll receive an OTP. Type in that OTP. Your number has been successfully changed. Thank you.